Welcome back. In this video, we're making a classic crumb cake. So for the dough, pour in milk, yeast, sugar, 1 egg, all-purpose flour, pastry flour, salt, and water. Mix on low speed or until a rough dough ball forms. Then add butter a little bit at a time. Increase the speed to medium and continue mixing for 5 to 6 minutes. Into a baking pan it goes, lined with parchment paper and greased with vegetable shortening. Dock your dough, cover, and let rise for 1 hour. For the STREUSEL, light brown sugar, white sugar, cinnamon, pour in melted butter, and water. Whisk until combined. Then add pastry flour and 1 box of cooked vanilla cake mix. Place into the refrigerator for 1 hour to dry out. Brush your dough with water. This will help the crumbs stick. On goes your STREUSEL topping. Bake at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. Cool at room temperature for 3 to 4 hours. Dust with powdered sugar. And there we have it, a classic crumb cake. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.